Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to add smooth motion blur to CapCut edits. Okay, so firstly tap on your timeline and locate the exact clipped or sliced segment where you want the movement to blur. So we'll just add a new video. Alright, so you just need to scroll all the way to the absolute bottom of the right hand properties tree layout on here. And right below remove flickers you will find the native motion blur setting, which is right over here, motion blur, and also make sure to enable it as well. Okay, and dial the blur slider to a value between 30 and 40. Okay, so in my case it's 100, so let's just dial it down to 40. Okay, something like that. And this will make sure to keep the pixels clean. And then set the processing direction menu strictly to both. And shift the execution time sparse multiplier up to 4x or 6x to force deep frame interpolation blending. And to the exact second you apply these variables, a blue processing timeline render layer will compile a blue processing timeline render layer will compile the vector passes. And once that hits 100%, it should be somewhere in here on the screen. Your gameplay transitions, pans, and high velocity cuts will render out with zero stuttering and professional grade fluid motion. That is it. Simply done. Enjoy guys. Like and subscribe as always. See you soon.